Hello friends, in last session we have studied enthalpies of physical transformation. Under this we have seen the first type, enthalpy of phase transition. We know that the enthalpy of physical transformations has two different ways. First way is enthalpy of phase transition. Second way is enthalpy of the atomic oblique molecular change. So today's we will discuss about the second way or second type of enthalpies of physical transformations, named as enthalpy for the atomic or molecular change. The enthalpy for the atomic or molecular change has three different subways. First, number one, enthalpy of ionization. Number two, enthalpy of atomization. And number three, enthalpy of solution. We can see one by one. First, enthalpy of ionization. The enthalpy of ionization is denoted by delta, bottom, ion, capital H. Definition: the enthalpy change accompanying the removal of an electron from one mole of a gaseous atom is called enthalpy of ionization. That means all in this case 1 mole is necessary. The example of enthalpy of ionization is the gaseous sodium atom produces positive sodium ion in gaseous state with removal 1 electron, and its enthalpy of ionization is 494 kilojoule per mole. If the delta H is positive, then that means the reaction requires heat, and if delta H is negative, that means after reaction the heat energy released when 1 mole of gaseous sodium atom is ionized to gaseous sodium ion, the enthalpy change is 494 kilojoule per mole. Now we can see the definition of electron gain enthalpy. In this case, the anion produced. The enthalpy change when 1 mole of gas phase atoms of an element accept electron to form gaseous anion is called electron gain enthalpy. Example: chlorine is a gaseous atom. When it accepts 1 electron, it produces anion Cl minus ion in gaseous state, and its electron gain enthalpy is minus 349 kilojoule per mole. The number two, enthalpy of atomization. It is denoted by delta ATOM, capital H. Definition of enthalpy of atomization is the enthalpy change when accompanying the dissociation of 1 mole of gaseous substance into gaseous atoms is called enthalpy of atomization. Examples: number one, gaseous chlorine, that is Cl2, dissociate into 2 Cl gaseous atoms. That means Cl2, it gives Cl gaseous state plus Cl gaseous state, and its enthalpy of atomization is 242 kilojoule per mole. Second example, the dissociation of methane molecule. It is also gaseous molecule. It dissociates into carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom, both are in gaseous state, and its enthalpy of atomization is 1660 kilojoule per mole. Now The number 3, the enthalpy of solution. The enthalpy of solution is denoted by delta SOLN capital H. Definition: enthalpy change in a process when 1 mole of a substance is dissolved in specified amount of solvent is called enthalpy of solution. That means, in this case, the 1 mole of substance dissolved in a specific amount of solvent. Example, the common salt having formula NaCl, its physical state is solid. When it dissolves in water, it gives the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, and the enthalpy of solution is 4 kJ per mole. The enthalpy of solution at infinite dilution. Definition: enthalpy change when 1 mole of substance is dissolved in infinite amount of solvent is called enthalpy of solution at infinite dilution. Infinite means we can't measure it. It is a very, very large number. The ionic compound dissolved in water in 2 steps. In step 1, ions are separated from the molecule. Example, Mx is a ionic substance in solid state. It dissociates into cation and anion. Both are in gaseous state, that is M positive and X negative ions. The enthalpy change for this step is crystal lattice enthalpy. Crystal lattice enthalpy is denoted by delta capital L H. The crystal lattice enthalpy is always positive. In steps 2, gaseous ions are hydrated with water molecules surrounding them. For example, one cation in gaseous state hydrated with X number of H2O molecules. Both are in gaseous state. It produces M in bracket H2O X, and these are the positive state because H2O is a negative valency, and while the cation has a positive valency, therefore there is one positive valency. In second example, anions in gaseous state, when also it hydrated with water molecules, that is Y number of water molecules in gaseous state, there is also formation of X in bracket H2O bracket closed Y, and its valence is minus. The enthalpy of this step is called enthalpy of hydration. It is denoted by delta H by dH, and the enthalpy of hydration is always negative. Now we can see one note. The enthalpy of solution is the sum of crystal lattice enthalpy and enthalpy of hydration. That is enthalpy of hydration. Therefore, the enthalpy of solution is equal to crystal lattice enthalpy plus enthalpy of hydration. Example, for NaCl, its crystal lattice enthalpy is equal to plus 790 kJ per mole, and its enthalpy of hydration is equal to minus 786 kJ per mole. Then the enthalpy of solution of NaCl is delta solution H in bracket NaCl is equal to plus 790 minus 786 is equal to plus 4 kJ per mole. Thank you.